honey?
Really good. I drink a lot of beer. I said I didn't want to drink, but it's so beautiful over here. It's so nice. I'm like, I need to have a drink. I need to sit down, relax, and have a drink. Really good.
So
that's from the Philippines, actually. This beer. It's really good.
Oh, the beer is from the Philippines. Mm-hmm. Do you like it? Mm-hmm. Can I try it?
Yeah, it's really light. Really light. I was when it comes try. You know, if you're in Tokyo, stop by the new sauna. It's really nice, really beautiful. There's not much else to say, man. Just come and have some fun. Like and you can watch some Japanese wrestling. That's what
yeah, the Japanese wrestling. That's what we're watching right now.
Beautiful. Sumo wrestling. Yeah, really beautiful.
So I'm still waiting on my drink.
I man. I got to go. I'm gonna get the reference to Cathiana, maybe.
You're getting old, honey. He's getting old, guys. The finger munwela. La gamun tukut.
Huh?
Gamun tukut.
Gamun millionaire, ba tukuta. Kuta ba sila.
Gamun tukut.
Kuta ba sila. Se millionaire pale. Millionaire lagi pag millionaire ki ruwa yo ki ko.
Gamun hotel yai.
Kuta ba important c'est là je crois. Donc là, gens on va enjoy une forme tout un bagage pas être loin.
Thank you. This is my drink.
Thank you very much.
For you, madam.
Thank you.
And you got the use to breathe.
Thank you very much.
For your
Appreciate
food.
it.
Alrighty.
Thank you so much.
For your drink.
Enigma. Let me see.
The bread is good.
Ooh. It's very strong. You wanna try it?
I like this. I like the glass. The shape of the glass. Really nice. I like it.
There's a côté flat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's very strong.
Ah. They got some back fiscal pizza.
Okay guys, nous enjoy ti drink nou la. Nous va sortir dans la rue en talè, so nous sommes dans la rue now. On côté là, n'a essayé pour un taxi, so Marim n'a parlé ensemble avec chauffeur pour lui connaître combien cop que nous a payé. So nous avons Uber là. Uber ça pas tout Uber non?
Quel bagay?
Uber ça va même pas parler bien pour Uber États-Unis non? Parce que là quand on s'est dado comme ça c'est non on comment on dit ça non une machine comment on dit la machine ça yo? Limousine moi là oui. Oh. C'est comme si dado you guys c'est non une limousine que oh my god, va la sentir bon chaise yo comme si oh my god, dès comme si dado jodi a li sorti dans compagnie a machine ça sorti dans compagnie a oui.
Ouais, belle, un peu d'espace. It's really spacious. I like it.
Yeah, belle bagay.
It smells really good too.
Let me show you guys.
It's a clean car.
Même drive very sexy.
It looks nice. Good haircut.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Nice haircut, nice clothes, everything. $20.
$20 seulement pour aller côté de Pralia.
Bye, hon.
now we are on our way to the second floor.
Second floor. Beautiful.
Thank you. Deuxième étage. Oh, that's where the dolphin show is. Are they gonna have a dolphin show? Ask the lady. So there's a dolphin show, but we want to see it, but my husband went to ask the lady. We are at a buffet, not manger breakfast. Let me show you guys what I got. French toast, pancake, fruit, eggs, hash brown, avec bacon. What about you, honey? We got sausage, French toast, hash brown, and eggs.
Did a tots. I want the same thing.
And gravy.